Hello, my friend. My name is Satria. I'm from Babanipuro 1 Junior High School. Today, I will tell you how to make a plastic basket from a waste plastic bottle. The material required are a waste plastic bottle, pen, cutter, scissors, synthetic glue, and origami paper. The instructions are: first, take a waste plastic bottle and cut out of the base and upper half of the bottle. Now, from the base, take a red origami paper and make a circular cutout as a diameter of the bottle. Now, from the another green origami paper, cut out 2 strips like this. Now, cut one of the strips with in a zigzag pattern from one side like this. Now, stick the circle cutout on the base from the bottle with a synthetic glue, and then stick the strips cut out on the bottom portion. And then stick another strips on the upper edge of the bottle, like this. And the last, stick these strips on the necks from the bottle to make a basket hitch. And ta-da! This is it. Okay, this is that all from me. See you next time, friend. Bye bye.